Hey guys, another busy day in the shop here, so we just thought we'd do a really quick run around of exactly what we got going on. Firstly, we got the 79 series. We did the J-Max and build on this one late last year. Took it away, got the tray put on it, done a few Ks, back for us to do the suspension check over and put the long range of fuel tank in it. This one's a Prado, in for some mechanical work, had a water pump failure and an engine check light on. 200 series on the hoist here is actually a Summit series build. So this customer purchased a car, sent it up to us from Sydney, and we've done all the J-Max 4.2. It'll get some wheels and tires put on it, roof racks, awning, cruiser company rear bar, yeah, full touring fit out for that one. The Patrol here, TD42, the keyway for the crankshaft had failed and damaged the front of the crank. So motor out, crankshaft out, repair the front of the crank and put it all back together. Obviously while it's out, do the mechanical repairs as far as like put a clutch in it, those sort of things while it's out. 200 series on the hoist here, in for some roadworthy repairs, some brakes and bits and pieces. There's another Prado that's in. So this Prado is in for an EGR repair. The Pajero here is in for a EGR clean. It's nearly done, and some brakes and other mechanical repairs. Big 79 series is just about at the end of its build. That has been a mammoth task bringing that one together. Behind me here, we've got the LM106. We've been working on this one for a while. It has had all the leaf springs removed. We've done full coilover conversion, leading arms in the front, 4-link in the rear, coilovers to go in the back of that. That's getting pretty close to the end of the build on that one. We've got another 300 series build going on here. This is a kind of a mini build. Still J-Max suspension going in this one, roof racks, awning, Switch Pro going in the front, DCS dual battery system. So we've got the DCS twin underbonnet lithiums. We've got our own mounting bracket here that fits underneath, holds the Switch Pro and holds a 12-way fuse block there, all nice and neat. We've got the Hilux here behind us. So this one is in again for actually a pretty reasonable build. So GVM upgrade, exhaust, roof rack, MITS alloy trade canopy, Heyman Reese X-bar, wheels, tires, all that kind of stuff. So that one's just getting underway now. These parts you see sitting here is the first of our Gen 2 draw systems. So as you'll know, we've been doing draw systems for quite a while, our own that we've built in-house. This is the very first of our Generation 2 stuff. So we took everything that we learnt from our Generation 1 and applied it to our Generation 2 just to improve the product significantly, lose some weight out of it, all that kind of stuff. So we're already quite a light system and we're aiming to get lighter again. So this one's for a 300 series, obviously. We've got our subfloor, we've got battery system mounts, so we have a full battery system that fits under here with inverters and DC-DC chargers, 200 amps of lithium, the whole box and dice. So these will be available in the next couple of months online for purchase. We'll be able to freight these out anywhere in the country. They'll be ready to go. So that's really exciting. And this one's a full Summit series build as well, with all the usual suspects, Switch Pros, J-Max 4.2, off-road animal bars, cruiser company rear bars, fat bars, sliders, roof racks, the whole box and dice. So another massive build, just about at the end on that one as well. So there you go, guys. That's a little bit of a quick rundown on just, you know, one day in the shop here. It's always busy, always got a lot going on. So if you need some work, you need some mechanical work done, you're looking to get a build done, you need some help in the GVM space, bit of information, pick up the phone, give us a call, drop us an email. Love to hear from you and give you a hand on your build.